YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here again. So, this is what has been causing my moped not to start correctly. I had bought a new carburetor, but that carburetor, I guess, was not intended for my truck. Not my truck, I'm sorry, the moped. Okay. Let's take a look at this. So here it is. This is the brand new carburetor for the moped. It said it was specifically for mine, so this should work good as well. This already seems way heavier duty than what I had on my truck. I keep saying truck. It even comes with lines that the other carb did not come with. Yeah, this looks like it's going to do the job. Here, let me put you guys down. Again, I hope the video quality is okay. I know it's not going to be the best since I'm using my phone. Oh, my dog agreed.
No, she just stole the bone.
Yeah, I think that the electric choke on the other one is defective because this one isn't moving. This one actually feels nice and tight. Yeah, this looks like the right carb that I've been needing. So next thing you all see me do is install this in my truck. Install it on the moped. I'm sorry, I'm a little tired. And hopefully this fixes all the last problem that I had with that thing. If anything, it might just need a new spark plug and to be gapped correctly. But that's only $2-3. Spark plugs are really cheap. But yeah, this looks like the exact one I need. And I'm pretty sure Sadie, my dog, agrees as well. So this is my little unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed. These are all going to be separate though, so you're going to see them some kind of an order. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'll get it done. Alright YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here again. So I thought the moped was done. I thought that the carb was all good, but it just wasn't running right. So I put on the old air filter, just not the filter, but the old box itself. Let me actually compare something. So I hope it has the right filter in it. I might actually take this back off just to check to make sure it's got the right filter. Because it was running a little too lean. This wasn't running right. So I almost wonder if it was the wrong filter. So I'll take a look at that in a minute. But there's another new carb, because the other carb, I don't know, well, for starters, we're gonna start somewhere. It was leaking a lot of fuel out of it. So I figured they're pretty cheap. I'm just gonna get another carb. So I went ahead and I got another carb. But while you guys are here, let's hopefully this gets in the shot. I'm gonna take this out for you guys. Yeah, I don't know how to. Having a feeling that might not have been the right one. So this is the one that's correct for the bike, and this was the one that was on it. So I'm gonna put this one on, and we'll see once I go to start it, which you guys will be there for the first startup of this one. So there we go. There's a new air filter. Hope it's still recording, and it is. That's another thing for you guys. You know, I don't make much money off YouTube or anything like that. So until I start making a little more money, it's a little harder for me to get a new GoPro. And trust me, I'm not complaining or anything like that. I make like $100 a year. But I am looking at getting a GoPro. And so that should be coming in the near future. Because I'm not able to record much with this because the memory card just gets filled up too fast. Or the battery dies. And this is more of my detailed camera, I guess you could say. It only records in 1080p, but I figured that's good enough. So there's my little rant, and also this is back together again. Hopefully it's good this time, because I'm getting really tired of taking it apart. Oh, hopefully this is good now. But there we go, YouTube. It's back together, and I even got more parts and stuff. Next thing you guys see, I'm going to start working on the diesel generator again. That's a whole nother story I'll talk about in the next video. Alright, Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.